My name is Luai Jamal Yusfi, and I'm the founder and CEO of Keys Inc. And we're here today to introduce the all-new Keys app and new Keys Concierge feature, where users are able to locate a locksmith within minutes. Keys, banking built in with Keys Financial Services. All locksmiths get a Keys Visa spend card and instant payment solution. Earn as you work, get rewarded. Locksmiths are able to track revenue, hit milestones, and collect Keys coin every time that you complete a job. Grow your business and get more jobs. Go live with the Keys app today. The all-in-one business platform. Everything you need to run a locksmith shop, all in one app. Smart dispatch, invoicing, inventory, GPS tracking, Keys Visa spend card, AI Keys Concierge. We've got it all. www.keys.app. Locksmiths, get paid instantly with the Keys Visa spend card. Sign up today. www.keys.app. Register today in minutes at www.keys.app.